See here, today we discussing about the lens makers formulas. Okay, about the problems exercise 2. Question number 50. Question number 50. The refractive index of the material of double convex lens is, the refractive index, the nu is equal is given 1.5. Its focal length f is equal is given 5 centimeters. 5 centimeters. If the radius of the curvature are equal, the value of the radius of the curvature is, the value of the radius of curvature r is equal. We know the formula 1 by f is equal to, the focal length inverse is equal to nu minus 1 into 2 by r. Because of the double convex lens of the formula, 1 by f is equal to nu minus 1 into 2 by r. So given values we can write the f is equal to how much is that? 1 by 5 into nu is equal to 1.5 minus 1, 2 by r. See 1.5 minus 1, that is a 0.5. 0.5 into 2. 0.5 into 2, how much is there? 1. 1 into 5, that's again the 5. That's r is equal to also 5 centimeters. So next question number 51. The double convex lens of refractive index. Again here is given by the double convex lens of refractive index 1.5. As the radius is given by the 20 centimeters. 20 centimeters. Instant rays of light parallel to axis will come the convergent distance from the lenses. The convergent distance from the lens is, see, nothing but we can find out here the focal length. What we can find the focal length. We know the formula for the double convex lens. Double convex lens of the focal length 1 by f is equal to nu minus 1 into 2 by r. Again the same principle. See right here then we can find the 1 by f is equal to nu is equal to how much is given by that? 1.5 minus 1, 2 by r. R is equal to radius how much is given by the 20 centimeters. Again 0.5 into 2, that is again the 1 by 20. That means the f is equal to how much is there? The 20 centimeters. The focal length is given by 20 centimeters. Next is the question number 52. Question number 52. The divergence meniscus, the length of the radius of curvatures. The radius of curvatures R1 is given by the 25 centimeters and R2 is equal is given 50 centimeters. R2 is given the 50 centimeters. As the refractive index nu is equal to 1.5. If its focal length is, see, then what is the focal length for the formula? See, the focal length f is equal to, the focal length f is equal to nu minus 1 into 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. Before is the negative. So negative is indicating by the left side. See right here the f is equal to, then find the focal length f is equal to minus nu is equal to 1.5 minus 1 into 1 by r1. R1 is equal to how much is it? 25 minus r2 is equal to 50. Take here the LCM. It is there the minus 0.5 into 50 into 25. That is equal to 50 minus 25. See the minus 0.5 minus 0.5 into 25 by 50 into 25. See the 25 gets cancelled and it is the cancel of how many times are there? 100. How many times are there? 100. That means the f is equal to how much is there, sir? Minus 100. Minus 100 of the formula is there. Okay, the minus 100 of in centimeters. Centimeters. See the question number 53. 4 lenses are made of glass and radius of curvature of each face is given by below, the which will be have a greater focal power. See what we can find the greater power of focal. See the focal of the power we can find out here is given. It is depends on a lenses. It is given by the convex or concave, that will be depends on that. The first one is given. The first one is given 10 centimeters. 10 centimeters convex. 10 centimeter convex. 15 centimeters convex. See here is given the first option 10 centimeter and 15. See which are the greater is we get the verify of a 4 options. See here the 1 by f is equal 1 by f is equal nu minus 1 into 1 by r1 plus 1 by r2. When see 1 is the convex and 2 are there the convex. See that time we take any 1 by r1 plus 1 by r2. See reciprocal of focal length is called as the power of convexence. Power of convex. Now the using of this formula we getting the find the result p value. And next the second option is given by the 5 centimeters convex. 5 centimeters is the convex and 10 centimeters and 10 centimeters is the concave. Concave is given by them. Now in this condition, see one lens is there the convex, another one is the concave. See that is the 1 by f. The reciprocal of the 1 by f is equal to nu minus 1 into 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. Again the reciprocal of focal length is equal to power of length. And these two values substitute here we are getting the power. And third option. The third option what is given by the here the 15 centimeters. 15 centimeters convex and plane. Convex and plane. The both of them is given by the radius is the 15 centimeters. That is time this is the 1 by f is equal to nu minus 1 by r. So this is the power of the formula we can use. And fourth one. Now the fourth one is given by the 20 centimeters convex. 20 centimeters is the convex and 30 centimeters concave. See one lens is given by the convex, another lens is given by the concave. See the second option the convex and concave. The which of the formula? The power is equal to the reciprocal of focal length is equal to nu minus 1 into 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. Here is given by the glass. The glass of the refractive index. The refractive index of the glass is equal to 1.5. Now using up the new values of 1.5 and here the value which is the greater power. Which is the greater. Now all the values here the 5 and 10. Yes the r will be the only 15. And here the 20 and 30 we can substitute and we get the highest value which is that have the greater power. See the next question number 54. Radius of curvature, the first surface double convex in 3 times than the other one. So first double convex of the radius is equal to the 3 times of other one. The r1 is equal to 3 into r2. If the focal length of the lens, f is equal to is given by the 30 centimeters. The refractive index of lens, the nu is equal to is given 3 by 2. Then the radius of curvature of the first surface. Therefore, radius of the first surface is the radius of the first surface. Now here the convex or concave. What is the formula which is taken by the 1 by f? 1 by f is equal to what is taken by the nu minus 1 into 1 by r1 plus 1 by r2. 1 by r1 plus 1 by r2. But here f is equal to how much is given by the 30 centimeters. Nu is equal to how much is there? 3 by 2 minus 1 into 1 by r1 is equal to we consider the r plus r2 is equal to cancel 3r. The radius can be doubled. Then we take here the 1 by 30 is equal to 3 by 2. Means we take the LCM, it is the 1 by 2 into 6 LCM is the 3r and 3 plus 1. See here the 1 by 30 is equal to 1 by 2, 4 by 3r. And it is how many times are cancelled is the 2 times. And 3 how many times are cancelled is the 10 times. 2 into 10 that is a 20. R is equal, the radius is equal to how much is the 20 centimeters. Now this radius, what we can find the radius of the first surface. The radius of the first surface we can find out this r value substitute here. That means r1 is equal to 3 into r. 3 into r that is equal to 3 into 20 that is equal to 60 centimeters. How much is it here? 60 centimeters. The next see the question number 55. Question number 55. The thin liquid convex lens is formed in a glass. The refractive index of liquid is given by the 4 by 3. And the refractive index of the glass is given by the 3 by 2. 3 by 2. If the f is the focal length of the liquid lens, if the focal length of the liquid lens is a, its focal length of the nature of the glass is, so what we can find the focal length, and find also nature in the glass. What we can find out the nature in the glass. See here, what is the formula here given by the refractive index of the liquid is given by the 4 by 3 and refractive index of the glass is given by the 3 by 2. Then we can find out here the focal length of the liquid lens in A. The focal length of the liquid lens in A, and also we can find the nature of the glass. The nature of the glass means it is the convex or concave, that we can find it. But we know the formula for the 1 by f dash. 1 by f dash is the focal length is equal to. See what is the formula? The refractive index of liquid by the refractive index of the glass, the minus 1. Minus 1. The refractive index of the liquid by the refractive index of the glass is the minus 1. See, write the substitute here the values. So what will be substitute here the refractive index of liquid? How much is there? 4 by 3 by the glass. How much is there? 3 by 2 minus 1. Then take a LCM 4 by 3 minus 3 by 2 whole divided by 3 by 2. See that is equal. Take here the LCM is the 6 and 8 minus 9 by 3 by 2. See that is equal. 8 minus 1 minus 1 by 6 divided by 3 by 2. See the denominator of the denominator, take the numerator. The numerator is nothing but you say the how many times I cancel 3, that is equal to minus 1 by 9. See this is the 1 by f dash. 1 by f dash. The next we can find out here the refractive index of the 1 by f. So 1 by f is equal to nu minus 1. Okay, nu minus 1. So that is the liquid, the refractive index of the liquid minus 1. See 1 by f is what is the refractive index of liquid minus 1. See here the 1 by f is equal. Liquid how much is there? 4 by 3 minus 1. See that is the LCM taken by the 3 minus 1 is equal to 1 by 3. 1 by 3. Take in the ratio. Equation, this is considered the equation number 1. It is considered the equation number 2. Equation 1 divided by equation number 2. Equation 1 what is there? 1 by f dash by 1 by f is equal 1 by f dash minus 1 by 9 by 1 by 3. 1 by 3. Now it is cancelled in the 3 times. See this is right the denominator of the f by f dash. F by f dash is equal to, see the denominator 3 by minus 9. See how many times are there? 3 times is cancelled. See, f dash is equal to 3 into f. The minus is indicating by the concave. The minus is indicating by the concave. See, f dash is equal to how much is it? Minus 3 into f. It's the focal length of the network and its nature. Nature what is there? Concave.